Hello, today I am going to talk about a technology that has lately been in the news and is undergoing extensive research. Nowadays, everyone has heard about electric vehicles in some form or another. But I will tell you why they are becoming more popular and why they are crucial to our future and what technologies may be applied in conjunction with electric vehicles. Today's topic for debate is electric vehicles powered by sustainable energy, a future-changing technology. So, the next question that arises in our mind is why are EVs becoming more popular? And what are the reasons behind it? Rising global concerns like global warming and climate change are forcing humankind for discovering clean alternatives to fossil fuels. When it comes to fossil fuels, two important fields spring to mind: transportation and electricity. Hence, EVs are becoming more significant to the success of their lower carbon emission percentage and elimination of fossil fuels. However, a more pressing concern emerges since EVs utilize the same power as the rest of the world, which is created from traditional energy resources. As a consequence, the use of sustainable energy becomes critical for achieving maximum success in the fight against global warming and increasing greenhouse gases. So, in this article, I will go through some of the green energy producing technologies that may be combined with electric vehicles to provide clean electricity. The renewable energy that has the most potential to create power and revolutionize the world is solar power. Here are some of the solar power generation technologies. First, using solar PV arrays. A robust solar PV charging station can be designed using maximum power point tracker infused with a battery backup. The power characteristics of solar energy sources is nonlinear in nature. There exists one operating point where they generate maximum power. In order to take full advantage of available energy resource and achieve maximum utilization efficiency, maximum power point tracking control techniques are used. Trackers can be either two-axis, which track sun in both in azimuth and altitude angle so the PV module always points directly to sun. The second idea, which can be beneficial, is using a fast-charging portable micro-solar power unit for emergency use. A relatively new concept of incorporating solar PVs on the roof of a car, extensively known as vehicle integrated PV, is gaining momentum and is expected to be implemented in coming years. Wind is the second most powerful potential energy source after sun. Using wind turbines is another easy method to generate clean energy for charging stations. The next method is using a PV wind turbine system with grid support. Grid is used as a backup here to provide a more reliable supply. It has a better success and efficiency rate than using a single source separately. Similarly, a hybrid system consisting of PV wind and diesel generator set can supply energy during periods of low sun irradiation, and a diesel generator can improve the performance of the renewable energy charging station. This will ensure that electricity is not interrupted and the flow is continuous. A similar system known as microgrids are tiny, self-contained power production stations that run entirely on renewable energy and do not require grid assistance. They can lessen the strain on the electrical grid and supply energy for EV batteries if properly adopted and installed. Another benefit is that if the microgrid is directly connected to the power supply line, it will be able to assist the grid during peak hours. Lastly, a smart grid can obtain all the above results efficiently. A smart grid is the most important breakthrough in power systems to date. By definition, a smart grid is an electricity network that can cost-efficiently integrate the behavior and actions of all users connected to it, generators, consumers, and those that do both, in order to ensure economically efficient, sustainable power system with low losses and high levels of quality and security of supply and safety. Some of the major elements of a smart grid are decentralized distribution networks, both direction power exchanges such as grid-to-vehicle, vehicle-to-grid, and vehicle-to-house, improved metering systems, and so on. Small-scale renewable energy generation employing solar, wind, natural gas, geothermal, hydro, and other resources are among the important elements that are particularly focused while designing a smart grid. Thank you for watching.